from China to Vietnam, right? Ah! I don't know if I can wear this or not.
Wake up, the sun is shining.
Let's move on to another unboxing. Maybe this one. I'll take this one first, okay? So I also have to show like this in case I have to make a refund for the product. Okay. Yeah. I don't know if I can wear this or not. It's smaller than what I thought. It's smaller than what I thought. Really. Oh! They have 30 here. This one for the shoulder. How? Oh, here. And here. It really makes me disappointed. Oh, 30 here too. Let me see this one. Oh. Oh my goodness. Like this. It was priced at 107 renminbi with a 7 renminbi discount. So I paid 100 renminbi, which is about 350 Vietnam dong. But I got a refund of 17 renminbi, so I only pay for 83 renminbi. That could be about 290,000 Vietnam dong. In Vietnam, it could sell over 400. Oh, actually, I was so sure about the price in Vietnam that I checked Lazada, but they didn't have it, so I looked on Shopee. There, it was around 700 Vietnam dong for an overseas shop with free shipping. It's probably from China. Another Vietnamese seller lists the same bag for 1,210 Vietnam dong with free shipping. Then I found the same bag on TikTok shop from a Chinese seller for 530,000 Vietnam dong with free shipping. So, do you think I got the best deal for this bag? And next, I'll unbox this one. Ah! Okay. Okay. But how about my size? Oh, 38. Okay. And I'll also put picture in the screen so you guys can also see. It looks nice. And it is my size too. I bought myself a pair of shoes for 23.86 renminbi, which is about 84,000 Vietnam dong. In Vietnam, they could sell this for more than 150, I think so. Yeah, in Vietnam, they could sell it for more than 150,000 Vietnam dong. I know. I have a lot of dresses, bags, shoes, but this is who I am. I work very hard and I believe I deserve to treat myself and feel happy. Plus, since I am a UGC content creator, I need to maintain a great appearance, not just only for myself, but also for my customers. and I am also trying to become a content creator, and having different outfits helps my audience see something new and fresh in each video. Now, let's move on to the main item this time. Oh, it's so super heavy. Don't fail, okay? Don't fail, okay? Okay. Oh, this is so heavy. It has salt inside. I'm not sure what it's called in English, but I translate it from Chinese. It's called an electric heating salt bag for physiotherapy sea salt. The original price was 138 renminbi, but I got a discount and only paid 28 renminbi. It is about 98,000 Vietnam dong. On Lazada in Vietnam, this same item could sell for more than 637,000 Vietnam dong. TikTok Shop and Shopee don't seem to carry this product. This is item number 5. It is a top that was originally 19.9 renminbi, but after a discount I paid 16.9 renminbi, which is about 59,000 Vietnam dong. On TikTok Shop, Chinese sellers list this for more than 130,000 Vietnam dong, and on Lazada and Shopee, it sells for more than 110 Vietnam dong. The last item is a big dress I'll put here, but the seller give me this one and it was so smelly. I can feel the smell of wet clothing. I paid for 24.5 renminbi, but after a discount, I paid 23.5 renminbi, which about 83,000 Vietnam dong. So it means I lost 83,000 Vietnam dong, and I also have to add on the shipping fee of Pinduoduo from China to Vietnam, right? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This was a thunder. This was a thunder. I don't know. This certainly I don't know how to speak English. This one. Mic. This one. I don't know if can record the sounds of thunder or not. But it was very, very big. And the floor was like shaking. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so scared. Okay, let's move on. Let's finish the video. I have to clean up too. This is my work. I have to do it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have to do it. Okay, just now I was talking about I'm losing 83,000 Vietnam dong and plus to the and plus to the shipping fee from China to Vietnam on Pinduoduo direct shipping cost, right? So maybe I lost about 120,000 Vietnam dong for this dress, but I have to contact the Pinduoduo app and I have to talk to the seller. And last time I also have one seller, they give me wrong product, wrong dress too, and I told them, I discussed with them and they give me a refund maybe 30% of what I paid for the product, and they asked me to wear it. But I am a girl. If I don't like something, I immediately never and ever touch it. I don't turn back. I can say I am very determined girl. Yeah. Okay, that's it for this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Maybe in the future, I'll make a tutorial on how to shop and budget for products using the Pinduoduo app. You can stay in Vietnam and still shop for Chinese product with me, like I have been unboxing this product with me today. I also share a lot of tips and tricks on how to learn Vietnamese easily. If you're a foreigner wanting to learn Vietnamese, check out my series. And if you want to support me, please share, like, and subscribe my channel. I'll really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, enjoy your life, and bye-bye.
Wake up, the sun is shining. A brand new day, it's so inviting. Embrace the beauty all around in this peaceful morning. Let's be found, let's cherish the quiet and calm.
From China to Vietnam, right? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You are the light of my life. You are the reason I survive. You are the one who makes me smile. You are the only one I desire. I love you forever. You are my everything. I love you forever. You're the song I sing. I love you forever. You're the air I breathe. I love you forever. You're the one for me. You're the star in my sky. You're the dream in my eyes. You are the warmth in my heart. You are the fire in my soul. I love you forever.